कैंसर है, वो इसको डिसाइड करते हैं बेस्ड ऑन द फीचर्स अवेलेबल जो कि मेडिकल डेटा में है आपके CT स्कैन MRI में. But there are so many inherent features available which is not visible to the human being. That those features can be extracted, can be find out with the help of machine learning. That is the beauty of machine learning and artificial intelligence. So many features are available in your CT scan, MRI images that are hidden to us. We are not able to see it actually, visually. The same way in case of automobile industry, also self-driving car. How about the human intelligence? I think everybody might be knowing about it. What are the different types of intelligence? I think we don't need to discuss about it. Way the people think and learn about the things, how the human learn, what are different processes, what are the different conditions. The same process should be actually followed in the case of machine learning, in the case of machine-made models. Artificial intelligence, actually here, since we have a short of time, so here actually studying the artificial intelligence in case of automobile industry, the idea is we need to combine the power of both, the power of machine and the power of human being. There are so many fields where the humans are much better than the machine, and there are so many fields where the machines are better than the human being. So the idea is we are not going to replace the human, we are just basically trying to combine the features of humans as well as the machine, both. We know that the human eyes can recognize only 16 different colors, while the machine can recognize so many colors. If you have designed the system computer of 8-bit color system, so it can distinguish between in between to the power 8 means 58, to the power 8, to the power 16 different colors को वो recognize कर सकता है. बहुत सारी चीजें जो डिफरेंस है, इसको शॉर्ट पे हम लोग देख लेते हैं. रोबोट्स रियली मेक मिस्टेक्स एंड मोर प्रिसाइज, एक्यूरेट एंड फास्ट देन द ह्यूमन वर्कर्स. ऑब्वियसली जैसे हमने क्या कि फार्मूला हमने 10th क्लास में कोई फार्मूला कोई क्वेश्चन हमने कर लिया और एग्जाम में पास भी हो गए और 2 महीने बाद उसको रिपीट नहीं किया, 2 महीने बाद वो फार्मूला भूल जाता है या उस क्वेश्चन को हम सॉल्व नहीं कर पाते. लेकिन मशीन के साथ ऐसा नहीं. once it has learned, now it can solve that problem every time, जब तक कि वो क्रैश ना हो जाए, पावर ना रह जाए. Otherwise once it learns, it will actually solve the same problem every time. Machine can work 24 hours.